Hey David, this is Nick with Generational Leads. I know you spoke with Viola the other day on the phone about her sending you over a quick video about your website, and here it is. So I just want to dive right in and get to it. We're going to talk about three important things. We're going to talk about keywords, backlinks, and citations. Okay. So as we kind of scroll through your website here, pretty simple, right? Easy to read. There's just not enough content, and the layout's kind of iffy. Especially on how we're going to be ranking for keywords. You got to have some headers and all that kind of stuff in order for Google to crawl and see what you're talking about. So talking about content, we need more content because Google wants to see about 1,500 to 2,000 words, excuse me, words of content on the homepage alone, depending on how many keywords you're searching for. And then we also need to build out some service pages. Okay, we need service pages to show exactly what the different services that you're providing within roofing. Maybe roof repair, roof addition, etc. And then when you have those, you target keywords within those separately. So with that being said, if we hop over here to your top competitor, this is their website, right? They have quite a bit of content on here. And if you look here, they have a menu, has services, and then they have different roofing here. So within these, they have different keywords that are targeted towards that specific service. So if we dive into a tool here, and we kind of, this is called Ahrefs, this super big analytic tool, and it breaks everything down to kind of give you an example. So they have 240 keywords on their entire website, and if we dive in, it kind of shows you right here, roofing companies, Athens, Georgia. There's 20 people searching that every single month. These guys are in position 2, and they're bringing in 2 of those people, or 2 of that 20, every single month to their website, right? Doesn't seem like a lot, but that's one keyword. And some of these keywords have 90 search volume, 200 search volume, right? So with that being said, these stack up like Legos. So roofing Athens, Georgia, 150 people every single month, okay? So it really depends on how you're using these keywords, what keywords you're using, and how you're putting those into your website. So once you get those into your website, how do we make them work and start ranking? That's the backlinks and referring domains. This is the popularity contest with Google. So saying how many different websites or referring domains can you get to link or backlink to your website. And so, yes, the more you get, the more popular you are. The more popular you are, the more credibility and authority you get, which you rank higher. Caveat is you don't want to just go blast this and get as many backlinks and referring domains as you can, because that's going to be seen as spammy to Google. You got to make sure they're quality links and that they have power themselves, and slowly build that up to make Google look, to allow Google to see it as legit, okay? And you're building up that trust and authority with Google. It takes time. It's like a relationship, right? So we got to make sure that when we pick those backlinks and referring domains, we're staying in our niche and our industry, and that's relevant to what we do as work, to make sure that it's legit and not spammy. We don't want to go get a chiropractor saying, hey, check out these roofers, they're awesome, right? We got to make sure that we're staying in our due diligence of our industry. So one way you guys can do it is literally dive in here and get exactly what your competitor has. It's called the copycat method. You go in here and you get exact same links, but then don't stop there, right? You got to make sure you keep going to beat out the competition and really dominate the industry. So with that being said, this is where they're sitting. They're bringing in about 180 people to their website every single month, and you guys are sitting here with some work to do, right? And that's totally fine. We just got to bump up these backlinks and referring domains and start pumping those out over time. And then we got to definitely target keywords on here and make sure that we're targeting those right keywords on the website pages to start bringing in that traffic as well to get seen. So the last thing I wanted to leave with you is it's called citations. So if we typed in roofing Athens, Georgia, one of the top keywords for you, we see that we have some ads here. Then we have some more ads here. This is kind of the layout of Google. And then we have our Google Map Pack, or GMB. And then we have our organic listing down here. And here's your #1 competitor. Okay. So the only way to be in this top 3 here is if you're in the first page of the organic search here. So what is a citation that lives in here? So a citation is literally a listing of your business name, number, and address on a directory such as Bing, Yahoo, Yelp, BBB, etc. And what that does is it builds trust with Google. And when you build trust with Google, along with your keywords and your backlinks and citations, those 3 things are going to be massive to boost up your rating and your ranking in SEO within Google. So then you'll start seeing results of traffic. Excuse me. So I know that's a lot of information, and I'm sure you have some questions about it. So feel free to reach out to Viola, and we will talk to you soon. Thanks.